After Mr. Simpson has configured the access data in his gateway, he sees that the gateway has been successfully connected and is now online. This is indicated by the gateway name being displayed in green. The variables configured in the gateway are grouped in a list under the respective category. The individual variables can now be further configured online. To do this, Mr. Simpson first switches from the View mode to the Configuration mode. Here, he can now edit the individual variables. Mr. Simpson wants to monitor the temperature in Machine 1. To edit this, he clicks on the pin symbol. He configures the update behavior of the temperature variables to be event-controlled. An alternative option would be cyclic updates to transmit the variable, for example, every 30 seconds. It is also possible to combine both the event-controlled and cyclic criteria, which isn't used in this example. By default, the update rate of values in the Cloud Portal is configured to value changes greater than 1. However, Mr. Simpson wants to view changes in more detailed increments. Therefore, he selects 0.1 as the change value. This means that the temperature value is now transmitted every time the value changes by more than 0.1 degrees. For example, 23.5 to 23.6 degrees. Clicking on the question mark next to the individual options provides a more detailed explanation so that Mr. Simpson can find help quickly if necessary. The data is saved for 7 days by default. This setting can be customized to a specific value for each variable. Mr. Simpson wants to read the value with 2 decimal places and in degrees Celsius, and sets the format accordingly to percentage of 0.2 degrees Celsius. By clicking on Save, all settings are saved. He switches back to the View mode, where the temperature is now shown in Celsius as a 2 decimal value. Mr. Simpson can also save this configuration for all other variables. If he builds more machines of the same type, he can quickly export the settings by clicking on the download symbol. He can then use the Upload button to reuse the settings for additional machines.